Does waking up every morning feel like a battle? Even if you think you've slept enough, do you feel heavy, unfocused, and exhausted all day? If so, this isn't just laziness. Experts say a significant number of people today experience chronic fatigue. What's even more striking is that most of them think their fatigue is normal. Have you ever thought, I'm just naturally low on energy? Maybe it's because I'm getting older, or another cup of coffee will fix it. After hearing what I'm about to share, you might change your mind. Some studies have found that the brain activity patterns of people with chronic fatigue differ from those of others. The good news? These patterns can be improved. Let's dive into why your body's battery feels drained and how you can recharge it effectively. Here's an important truth: the real reason you're tired isn't a lack of sleep. It's not about how much you sleep, it's about the quality of your sleep. Sleep is divided into REM and non-REM stages, and deep sleep is crucial for physical recovery. In experiments, some people felt great after just 5 hours of sleep, while others who slept 9 hours still felt groggy all day. What's the difference? It's the quality of deep sleep. We go through several sleep cycles when we sleep, and sufficient deep sleep is what drives true recovery. Unfortunately, most modern people don't get enough of it. So is there a way to increase deep sleep? Yes, there is. But before we get to that, there's something even more important. Do you always feel sleepy after lunch? If you think it's normal to feel drowsy after eating, think again. A healthy person should maintain energy even after meals. Post-meal drowsiness is closely tied to blood sugar spikes. When your blood sugar swings wildly, it throws your body's energy system into chaos. Since blood sugar responses vary by person, swapping white rice for brown rice or eating protein and fiber first can help stabilize those spikes. In one study, a group following a tailored diet saw significant improvements in energy levels. So, how do you find the right eating habits for your body? It's not as complicated as you might think, no fancy tests required. But there's something even more critical than food: mitochondria. Remember those from middle school biology? They're the powerhouses of your cells. Recent research shows that many people with chronic fatigue have reduced mitochondrial function. In simple terms, your cells aren't producing energy efficiently. The good news? There are ways to boost your mitochondria's efficiency, and they're simpler than you might expect. Regular exercise is the most effective way to improve mitochondrial function. It increases the number of mitochondria and enhances their performance. For example, cold showers or saunas can stimulate metabolism and boost alertness. You'll notice a difference within a week. But that's not all. There's an even more fascinating principle I want to share. Have you ever heard of hormesis? It's the idea that small amounts of stress can actually benefit your health. By leveraging this principle, you can improve your energy system. Your body has a mechanism that boosts energy production efficiency. Under certain conditions, intermittent fasting, for instance, is a hormesis technique that supports cellular repair and improves energy metabolism. Studies show that people who find the right intermittent fasting pattern for them experience better energy and focus. But here's a caution: fasting without a plan can backfire. You need to consider your metabolism, lifestyle, and stress levels. How do you find the right pattern? It's simpler than you think. Try different approaches for a week and track how your body responds. Fasting alone isn't enough, though. To truly improve your energy system, you need to align your circadian rhythm. What's that? It's your body's 24-hour biological clock. If it's out of sync, no amount of good food or sleep will keep you from feeling tired. Most modern people have disrupted circadian rhythms, often due to smartphones and LED lights. But here's the good news: research-backed light therapy can reset your rhythm in just a few days. Here's how: spend 15 minutes in bright light in the morning and avoid blue light after 8 p.m. This alone can improve sleep quality and boost your energy the next day. There's another critical factor to consider: a hidden cause of chronic fatigue, chronic inflammation. It's a silent process in your body that shows no obvious symptoms but keeps going. What causes it? Stress, poor diet, and lack of exercise all play a role. The most effective way to reduce it? Change your lifestyle. It's not about taking anti-inflammatory drugs, it's about building an anti-inflammatory lifestyle. Following expert protocols can steadily lower inflammation levels. The key lies in gut health. Your gut is closely tied to your immune system, and an imbalance in gut bacteria can trigger body-wide inflammation. Many foods you eat daily harm. Your gut-processed foods, refined sugars, and artificial additives are the culprits. On the flip side, foods that support gut health can make a big difference. Fermented foods like kimchi and yogurt, rich in probiotics and dietary fiber, can help. Eating fermented foods just once a day can lead to noticeable changes in a few weeks. Here's one more critical point: even the best methods won't work as well if you don't apply them in the right order. Let me break down the most effective sequence for you. First, focus on improving sleep quality. Align your circadian rhythm and increase deep sleep. Second, adjust your diet. Avoid blood sugar spikes and add gut-friendly foods. Third, incorporate intermittent fasting and regular exercise to boost mitochondrial function. Follow this sequence consistently and you'll feel a real difference. In a few weeks, people who've tried this approach often say, "I finally woke up feeling refreshed for the first time in ages." But here's one thing to keep in mind. While these methods are backed by science, everyone's body is different. The key is to keep trying without giving up. If one approach doesn't work, move on to the next. There's a method out there that's right for you, and once you find it, your daily life will transform. One final thought: chronic fatigue isn't just about feeling tired, it affects your entire quality of life. When you're low on energy, your dreams, goals, and relationships all feel harder. But when you're full of energy, everything becomes possible. The methods I've shared today aren't just about fighting fatigue. They're tools to enhance your overall quality of life. Start now, not tomorrow, today. Begin with one small change and build from there. In a few months, you'll be a more energized, focused, and vibrant version of yourself. But remember, change doesn't happen overnight. Consistency is key. I'm excited to see your transformation. Share your experiences in the comments, and if you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. Here's to your healthy, vibrant life.